debate tonight, Amitosh Parikh, national spokesperson of the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, author, scientist, with me in our studios this evening. Ratan Shardaji, author, has written books on the RSS. Harshvardhan Tripathi, senior journalist. Ashwini Kumar Mishra, Congress leader. Sunil Singh, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. Nivan Sharma, national spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. But my first question is to Dr. Guru Prakash Paswan, national spokesperson of the BJP. And Guru Prakash ji, my question is simple, just like all the other Indians and Hindus across the world who are asking the question, ye ho kya raha hai? When are we going to go beyond just Ashwasan and look at what really went wrong in the Ram Mandir Trust? Donations still taking place. Visuals are coming out of businessmen having donated ornaments. Those ornaments, were donated. Receipts were promised. No receipt came for one year for any of these things. Donations and how they have been siphoned off. We have done a series of sting operations and everybody is saying बाबूजी अभी भी काम कर रहे हैं. बाबूजी as in चंपत राय जी गेस्ट हाउस में मीटिंग करते हैं, ट्रस्ट के ऑफिस में नहीं करते हैं. Vinay Katyar says he has spoken to the Prime Minister and he says Champat Rai may go to jail. How will he go to jail if there is no investigation on him? And if there is a conversation with the Prime Minister, why isn't that made public? And the RSS has finally given a statement 30 days after this controversy came. Are people just supposed to hear the questions that are being raised, or will there be any answers?
No, Navika ji, I think the anxiety is absolutely concerning all of us. It is worrying for all of us. As a Hindu myself and as 150 crore Hindus across, we'll understand that it's something which is very bothering, and nothing can be more sensitive than this. As a matter of faith, as a matter of astha, as a matter of shraddha, I think we are all deeply concerned. But the fact of the matter remains, Navika ji, we must at least concede to the fact that the government has been very prompt. As the government got the notice of this misappropriation, the trust sent and the SIT was constituted. Be it the constitution of SIT, be it the FIR, be it the arrest, be it the inquiry, be it the investigation, the government has been extremely prompt. But we have to understand, there is absolutely no question of moral dilemma as far as the Bharatiya Janata Party or the RSS is concerned. We are not seeking any certificate from anyone, but we have to be absolutely clear that all those political parties who are sensing an opportunity here, कार सेवकों पे गोली चलवाने वाले नविका जी, समाजवादी पार्टी has all of a sudden become custodian of Ram Bhakti. Congress party, who have even denied the existence of Bhagwan Ram in the Supreme Court of India in 2007 through a writ petition. Now they have become suddenly Ram Bhakt. I think this is the moral hypocrisy of the opposition politics in India today. As far as we are concerned, we can say this today. RSS Sarkarwa, respected Dattatreya Hosbole ji, came on record and said कि सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई होगी, कठोरतम कार्रवाई होगी. There will be absolutely no excuse given. Whoever sitting at the top or the bottom, whoever is involved, जिसकी भी संलिप्तता होगी, सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई होगी और नजीर पेश करने का काम होगा. But the only problem is, Navika ji, we have to understand all these political parties. Aam Aadmi Party convener, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, was in Ayodhya a couple of days ago. It is the same Mr. Arvind Kejriwal whose second in command Manish Sisodia used to say कि भगवान राम का मंदिर बनाने की क्या जरूरत है, यहाँ अस्पताल बनवा दो, यहाँ स्कूल बनवा दो. So this hypocrisy is being keenly observed by the Ram Bhakt across the country and across the world. The dual standard, the hypocrisy of the entire opposition party.
I'm sorry, Guru Prakash ji. I'm sorry, Guru Prakash ji. We have not got an answer. We have not got an answer on whether Champat Rai ji is still running operations in the Ram Mandir. The trust is still operation, may not be from its office but from a guest house. He is still being called Babuji. Donations are still being taken. Receipts are still not being given. What is going on? Forget the opposition. Please tell us, how is this mandir and the trust being run? The government should have had oversight over it. Where is the government? Where are the answers to the questions that Ram Bhakts are asking?
Navika ji, the government has taken a cognizance as soon as it came to the notice of the government. Point number one. Point number two, the Supreme Court suggested that a trust be made So there is a trust and there is a government. We have to understand that there are two different entities. A trust is run by a group of people. There are people from Sant Samaj, people from Sadhu Samaj, people from Vishwa Hindu Parishad as well. So the trust is there. The SIT is constituted. I absolutely share your concern. I absolutely share your anxiety as well. We are all waiting for that. The SIT is doing its work. I think the matter is sub judice. The matter is under inquiry. There are inquiries happening. There are investigation happening. There are arrests also happening. अभी 80 लाख रुपए जब भी किया गया था. So I think we should give some time to the SIT and instead of affecting the inquiry, influencing the inquiry, we should cooperate the investigating agencies. I think it's a matter of faith for all of us.
समाजवादी पार्टी से सवाल है गुरु प्रकाश जी का कि आप कब से राम भक्तों की इतनी चिंता करने लगे, राम मंदिर की इतनी चिंता करें? आप जवाब दें।
देखिए नाविका जी, मुझे नहीं लगता है कि अपने इस देश में भारतीय जनता पार्टी, आरएसएस या विश्व हिंदू परिषद से प्रमाण पत्र की जरूरत है कि कौन हिंदू है, कौन सनातनी है, कौन राम भक्त है, कौन हनुमान भक्त है, कौन शिव भक्त है, कौन पूजा करेगा, कौन मंगलवार हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ेगा। इसके ठेकेदार बीजेपी कब से हो गई। और बीजेपी को अगर इतनी ही चिंता है हिंदुत्व की, भगवान राम की, मर्यादा की, उनकी आस्था की, तो खुलकर बोले ना कि जिन लोगों ने भगवान राम का दान पात्र लूट लिया है वो राष्ट्रद्रोही हैं, हिंदू विरोधी हैं, राम द्रोही हैं। क्योंकि ये नहीं बोलेंगे, क्योंकि उस लूट में शामिल कौन लोग हैं। बीजेपी की सरकार है, ट्रस्ट में बीजेपी के लोग हैं, आरएसएस के लोग हैं, विश्व हिंदू परिषद के लोग हैं। और सवाल सिर्फ समाजवादी पार्टी का नहीं है नाविका जी। अगर कहीं भगवान राम के मंदिर में लूट पड़ी है तो क्या कानून व्यवस्था का सवाल नहीं है? हमारी आपकी आस्था का सवाल नहीं है? कितने बड़े बड़े साधु संत आवाज उठा रहे हैं, वो भी देशद्रोही हो गए। जो इनकी लूट और भ्रष्टाचार पर इनसे सवाल पूछेगा वो राष्ट्रद्रोही हो जाएगा।
गुरु प्रकाश जी प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड। गुरु प्रकाश जी प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड। वैलिड क्वेश्चन प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड।
मेरा 10 सेकंड का ले लीजिए, 10 सेकंड का सवाल ले लीजिए।
अच्छा, क्या सवाल है?
देखिए, चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका, चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका।
मैं तो केवल ये कहूंगा कि अभी मैं धीरेन्द्र शास्त्री जी को सुन रहा था नाविका जी।
समाजवादी पार्टी
अरे सुन लीजिए गुरु प्रकाश जी।
क्या सुना आपने? धीरेन्द्र शास्त्री जी ने आपको क्या बताया?
हम लोग अभी नाविका जी ने मुझे अवसर
नहीं हमको नहीं बताया। धीरेन्द्र शास्त्री जी ने बयान दिया है कि चुप रहने में ही फायदा है, क्योंकि जिन्होंने भगवान को नहीं छोड़ा वो हमको क्या छोड़ेंगे। तो नाविका जी, आपको क्या लगता है जिन लोगों को जेल भेजा गया उनसे धीरेन्द्र शास्त्री डर रहे हैं, या चंपत राय और अनिल मिश्रा और गोपाल राव से डर रहे हैं वो?
बिल्कुल। और दिनेंद्र दास
और बड़े लोग